Hi everyone, welcome to The Link with Bones, another episode, another day. Thank you so much for tuning in and being with us. Mad Dog, what's happening, my dog?
Yeah, right, that.
Wene.
See, yabanda, just right.
You know, at this time of shooting this episode, there's this thing that's happening with podcast. Um, Kate and Mackenzie and the open chat guys, where they were talking about coloreds and the incest and all of that. What do you think?
Yeah, bra, I think my worry most day bona lento social media and yabona yonke lento ze podcast people exercising their
Yeah, Baba, you can't say I'm going to do a podcast, but anyway.
Yeah, but sengiyayithetha nje ukuthi yabona ukuthi everyone has their own opinion about things.
Yeah.
But my worry is the issue of racism, the issue of yonke lento yokungavani. Yabona
Yeah.
where abantu they are not, because if I have freedom of speech, it doesn't mean ukuthi ngoku when I know exactly ukuthi I'm in a country where things are the way they are. Yabona?
Yeah. So,
And then-
so you're saying people should still be held accountable for what they say.
Yes.
But do you think they should cancel these young men and women because there was two girls there?
No, I think people need help more than cancel issue. They don't have to be cancelled, they need counseling. You understand?
Yeah. No, that's true. That's true.
Because it's a problem in the country where we know ukuthi it's like playing with people's trauma. South Africa is traumatized.
Yeah.
Everyone in South Africa is traumatized ngalento
Yeah.
racism
Yeah.
and yonke nje lento le. So if ngabe you're gonna play kulezo zinto lezo ungekho sensitive, yabona, it's a problem.
Yeah.
So whether we minister, whether ungumntana secretary, you understand?
Yeah.
You cannot, yabona, we cannot fight. Mackenzie, it was irresponsible.
For him to write those tweets, no?
Yeah, it was irresponsible. But from the campaign yakhe, Mackenzie was always pushing the agenda yokuthi ama-coloured are treated unfairly and yonke lento. So he's been open about it.
Yeah.
But it's the words that he used that we don't expect, you understand?
Yeah.
From, but
You know, I think when I'm at dog, it's a matter of these kids or these guys. Let me not say kids, but these guys is the Open Chat podcast. I think because I sometimes listen to a podcast, but they've said worse things. But obviously this one stood out, Ebandwini, and they've apologized. So my take is, let us not cancel them. Because then I believe you're taking away freedom of speech. Allow people to make mistakes, but then let people learn from those mistakes so that they can grow. Because manje, when you cancel them, you are killing their future. Now what?
Yeah.
Do you understand? Now we're saying ukuthi, once you make a mistake, we kill you. We even if you apologize, we just kill you.
Yeah.
Because one political party, because I don't want to promote any political party, the leader of it said, ukuthi, because they want Gaten to be removed from that position because the arts and culture in South Africa or the Ministry of Sports, Arts and Culture is a ministry that unites us as a country. And it's true, when Springboks, when they win or Zidlala, as a country we feel united for that 80 minutes or whatever. So they're saying that a minister in that ministry cannot then lead that ministry if they are racist. So they're saying he must be moved to another portfolio. I'm like, oh, okay, at least I understand that. So you are saying he cannot lead here, but he can go lead somewhere else while he's dealing nalendo yakhe yobu racist, if that's the case. So in that way, we are not shutting him off. We are, because umuntu, I believe that a person has two sides. Every person. I believe wonke umuntu has a good side and a bad side. Even the worst drug dealers or the worst criminals in the world, they have kids. And when you ask the kids, ngabo, but baba, I know me as a father, and they're telling the truth. And then you ask the enemy to who ruthless. So unfortunately, I don't know. Yeah, we as humans, that's how we are made. So umuntu magenze mistake, masingathi, ay, sim dismiss. Because Gaten has done some good things in the sports in South Africa. So the same thing for this open chat, for this podcast. Yes, they've said that, but they've also said some other good things. And even about the colored community, they said some very good things. But anyway, that's our...
Yeah, but bra, if you look at the Western Cape, Western Cape, there's tensions.
Yeah,
in
yeah.
Western Cape.
Mohlala la,
There's
yeah.
a lot of tensions in Western Cape because it's true that colored people feel sidelined. You understand? It's true that
But not like Western Cape.
no, but saying it's true that they feel ukuthi abelungu mabayi in charge, they care about abelungu. ANC may in charge, it cares about abantu abamnyama. So bona they always somewhere having to figure out where they belong. So there is that. You understand? Especially when it comes to service delivery, or maybe magna conversation, it's always black people, white people. No, I'm just saying ukuthi that's what they feel. You cannot take away. You cannot say angeke uqhwabe ngempama bese ngithi no, you must laugh. Do you get the idea?
No, I get you. I
You
get you.
understand?
I get
So
you.
I'm saying it's true that they feel that way. But my problem is when the leaders, you understand, mess around that, those feelings, those tensions.
Or when they play around with people's
When they
feelings.
play around
When they
people's
want what
feelings.
they want.
Yes, when they want what they want. So whether Ketin Mackenzie or racist or not, but for him to be in the position and using the emotions abantu and the traumas abantu in order to get into that position, for me it's a problem. You understand? So nazo the podcast othetha ngayo, I don't know what was there. Because I mean ayikho into ngumavuka enceni yonke into
Inesiqalo.
inesiqalo
Yeah.
isukelaphi
No, that's
why
true.
bayenzile because really we're living in a world where it's sensitive. You understand?
Yeah,
People are angry, people
Yeah.
are hurt. Yabona? So we need to be careful. I mean that's what I would say. Whether they are cancelled or not, yabona, I don't mind. I hope they've learned a lesson. I hope everybody has learned a lesson out of this. But that's what I would say. People are traumatized. I am traumatized. I am directly from the apartheid. Yabona, I was affected physically
Oh, my
and
God,
yabona, I've experienced it. So if somebody will play around that, yabona,
We'll get you counseling.
You
here.
get the
We'll,
idea.
we'll call a
Aye, man,
psychologist.
you're
as
right,
of night.
you're right.
Talk about you traumatized, but my dog, thank you so much.
I don't want to be triggered, bruh.
But thank you so much for your comments. Thank you, Mad Dog. Really appreciate that. So today, guys, we have a very interesting guest. As you know, that I don't do an intro. I let my guests introduce themselves, and so you get to know them through the conversation. Yeah, man. So this lady has done some phenomenal work. Has done some great work, and yeah, she'll tell us. Looking very forward to this. Molo sis,
Hey, but
kunjani sis?
phile nkosi njani wena?
Siyaphila sisakhondo.
Yes.
Yes, you're glowing today. Yes. What's happening?
As always.
I've never seen you glow,
As
Hlobo, yes?
always.
Is it because you are coming here?
Yes.
Ne?
Maybe.
Ne?
Maybe.
So I'm glow for this one.
No, iwinter iyandithanda.
Ne? Are you
Top
winter
of
baby?
that, yes, no, I'm summer.
Oh,
I
really?
don't like it, but yona iyandithanda.
Oh, okay. But
So-
so it likes you, but you don't
Sine
like it.
relationship nje complicated.
Right, ne?
Mna newinter. Iyandithanda ndiyithanda.
Wena.
You know, that's the way it is. Abafuna basifuna basiyafuna. Iwinter injalo ke. Andiyifuni iyandifuna.
Wena.
Yes.
Ah, nice.
Otherwise, I'm a summer baby.
Okay.
October.
Tell the people, man, man come along.
Gama lam
Onke kwi-ID, your full names.
sachaza kwi-ID nayo kwi-ID.
Oh.
Akwi-ID nginokuphiwa katom. Apha ke online kuthiwa nguNoku.
Okay.
Ndingomaxesibe umachayo uNonzaba. Khanyanyawana. I don't want to leave that behind, just so that you know.
Ungubani? Maxesibe uManzaba.
Maxesibe
Ayi.
unochaya. Umachayo mani yandibhidisa
Okay,
James.
xolo.
Uthi James, oh Bones, goodness.
Yeah.
Kufika iBhayibhile ke xa ndithetha ngoJames because I'm
wena.
studying the book of James.
Oh, okay.
But then
It's my favorite book in the Bible, by the way.
Listen.
Okay, sorry, Machayo.
Which part?
Ukhona notata uJames phaka kwicamera.
Bhayibhile. But ndingumachaya ngicela ungandiphazamisi
Okay, okay.
ndingumachaya ndinguxesibe ndingunonzaba ndingukhandanyawana ndingumambathane.
Aw, mambathane man.
That's me.
Yazi ngibani sam?
Ngubani?
Mathambo thambekile. Ithambo elithambekileyo, ithambo lahlula indlovu, lahlula ingonyama, afika amabhulu negrinder kodwa ithambo zange ligrindeke. Ithambo lahlula izinja zakho kuza kodwa umongo akaphuma, ithambo lingathambeki.
Lisuka phela ithambo lela ntoni?
That's the thing, it's mystery. So ndazi ndisiphe sami isiduko guys, like literally it's my own clan name. I made it up. It's my own
Okay.
clan name. Ndingowoqala kuso, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a
So
living.
nabantwana bakho bazothatha lona.
Yes.
Oh,
So
nice.
I'm a living ancestor. Imagine. Yabona?
That's good.
Wena Mamxesibe. Anyway, tell us man, where you from?
From the Eastern Cape, the rural Eastern Cape, ezilalini.
Hey, baninzi abantu baku-Eastern Cape abaza kule podcast. But anyway,
Mvaba. You know.
Cough no more.
Andifuna uba political, but Eastern Cape ke is what it is.
I know, bonke abantu base-Eastern Cape bathi Mandela usuka pha.
But yeah, I'm not the one who was excited, but it is what it is. So Eastern Cape.
Our leaders were taught there, Eastern Cape, Fort.
Listen,
So you're from there?
the home of legends.
I know, apparently. So you're from a Cough no more.
Cough no more iqhuma.
Ne? Tell me, man, how was it growing up in Eastern Cape?
Ooh. It was beautiful.
Firstly,
Amazed.
did you grow up with both parents?
Yes,
Okay.
they are still very much alive.
Both of them?
Yep.
Okay.
Desati mama dad.
Wow, really? Hey, you are blessed, man.
I know.
I always say to people that still have both their parents,
Yeah.
very, especially at your age, very blessed. You are very young, by the way.
So growing up, sikhula ezilalini singaba ekhaya kutatam nomamam siba yi-8. The third born.
Sure.
But sikhula si more than 8
Okay, why?
because ezilalini wonke umuntu osike ezilalini will know this, especially aba bazalwe kula age group yam abakhulele ezilalini ngela xesha.
Bazalwe nge-90s.
Azange khaye ndiyithethe loo nto leyo. Besingakhula ezilalini ingabantwana bomntu omnye qha okanye what is now called ku-Western culture immediate family. I didn't know that concept until ndize eKapa.
The concept of immediate family.
Yes, an extended family.
So to you, family was just family?
Was just family, as long as sihlala endlini eyi-1. So utata une-siblings, and i-siblings zakhe besebenza eRhawutini, i-sister zakhe sebenza somewhere, blah, blah, blah. Abantwana babo behlala ekhaya.
Okay.
Abantwana bebodwa ekhaya were close to 20.
Sure.
On top of that, bekukho abantwana basuka kwezinye ilali bayofunda kwi-high school esalalini yam.
Sure.
Back then, xa abantwana besuka kwezinye ilali beyofunda elalini, abazali bethu babebathatha as abantwana babo.
Okay.
Kutatam akakho umntwana obesuka komnye umzi afike abe independent. So ebefika angahlali yedwa arente, ahlale nathi.
Oh, wow.
So sikhule
And you
sinjalo.
just take the random kids?
Yes.
How did you pick? What was the selection process?
No, if mhlawumbe umntana iyafika uzobazi sizezilalini sifumene isikolo sizofunda kulena because i-high schools then ezinye ilali bezingenazo high school. So elalini yami i-high school ibiphayana. So abantwana abaninzi bebesuka kwezinye ilali bayofunda phayana. So obviously xa sikuphayana akazukwazi ukutravelisha every day. So funeka accommodate ke and bebehlala ezilalini. Ezilalini ke besibabiza amagxamesi. Kuthiwa bayagxamesa.
Bayagxameza.
So sakhula ke nabo bantu ke besicinga uba ngoosister bethu and then esikhulu
And you really thought they were sisters?
Oh, yes.
And that's what people don't understand. You
Yeah.
were not uzoya xa somdala, but
No.
no. Wait a minute.
In fact, mna azange ndayisebenzisa kwa i-term ye-cousin.
Wow.
Aba bantu ngoku ndithi zii-cousins, they were my sisters and brothers.
Wow. So that terminology came to you only when you got into the Western culture?
Apha eWestern Cape. And because abantu bebesibalose xa ndisithi sister wam this, bathi kanti no-sister bangaphi? Mna ndiqonda, funeka ndicacise hayi lo ngokamama, hayi lo ngokadada,
Utata.
hayi lo ngokatamnci. And then it was awkward until I got used to it.
Okay.
Uba a cousin.
So now you're growing up 20 in the family.
Yep.
Kumnandi. Going to school at this time?
Yes.
Is school motivated?
Yeah, yes, funny enough, we had no choice.
What do you mean?
What do you mean by being motivated?
No, because some people, it depends. Ilal bukhule kanjani. You know, in some household, into yemfundo ayihoywa simply because you have to yokolusa
Okay.
or you have to do certain things, and
Okay.
depending obviously
All right.
on the family.
Yes.
So other families will encourage it because they've seen success out of it, or they want the kids to be educated. So it all depends. When it
All
goes by,
right. Okay.
was it?
Okay, so we had no choice thina. That is elalini yam ndingathi bengathi siyifamily. Yonke into ibisenzeka ekhaya ibisenzeka elalini. Right? So isikolo nenkonzo besingena choice singabantwana.
Okay. So ukhulela enkonzweni.
Enkonzweni esikolweni utata benento eziyi-2 awuyizipatini singabantwana you are not allowed uya ecaweni uya esikolweni unempahla zecawa unempahla zenkonzo enye nenye akazingeni.
Impahla zecawa nempahla zenkonzo.
Yes.
What's the difference? Icawa nenkonzo.
Awuzuyi-understanda because wakhulelanga ezilalini.
No,
I mean
but-
icawe nesikolo.
Oh,
uniform.
yeah, 'cause you are
That's
saying
why.
icawe
Yes,
nenkonzo, I'm like,
icawa
what's
nesikolo. So
happening?
those are the two, enye nenye abazingeni
So you're not that kid that grew up going as Patin.
besizimela
Iphume first year.
ngqo ugruzuke usawugqi uye uqhwalela
And there's Lalien must be a ghost buckler, so
Aye.
you could jump.
ifirst liphezulu uyogxidikela ezantsi
Oh my God.
uzawuzivuthulula uzilungise uyongena epatini uphinde futhi umke ingekapheli because funeka ubuye
Uphinde ungene.
engekavuki uphinde urhobuluze
So what was your dreams back then? And I'm talking primary, maybe let's say upako grade 4, 5. Don't know uyenza.
I don't remember until ndafika high school.
Oh really? Only in high school you started to have a clear
Yeah.
picture. So wawama nje isikolo just
Cha.
as a kid and that's it. Khula usolusa?
Yes, utata i-boys zakhe inkwenkwe endala izemva kwami. So amantombi the third born of 8. So the first 3 girls.
Oh, okay.
Then umfana azoba ngwesine. So besisolusa thina girls.
Okay.
Really? Yep. Sisenga.
Uyakwazi sang?
Kahle. Nangoxa ndigodukile ndisaqokelela ndisangenisa igusha ndisanombola sisancedisa utata Paul igusha.
Wow, you know, I'm thinking for the other kids that they don't know zonke ndizithethayo.
No, they don't.
Yeah.
Besisolusa thina.
So you can herd a cattle.
Sibophe inkomo. Yabona nina abazalwane xa iBhayibheli sithi idyokwe ebukhoboka. You have no idea uba idyokwe njani.
When uyayazi,
Ndiyayazi idyokwe.
you're speaking from experience.
Ndiyazazi inkomo ezidityaniswe ngedyokwe.
Dyokwe.
Xa kusithiwa idyokwe ebukhoboka ndiqonde inzima ke laa dyokwe.
Ne? So xa isithi ke ngoku take mine qomba, oh my God.
Yes.
You really relate.
I know.
It hits home.
I know. Idyokwe ndiyayazi because besibopha inkomo sihambe siyolima. Sometimes before siye esikolweni uyazi ba xa ubuye esikolweni ubuya khulula i-uniform yakho wenza into ofuna uyizenza sawugqiba uhambe uyoqokelela.
Wow, man.
Before uye esikolweni uyancancisa igusha uyasenga uyazikhupha uyabuya uyahlamba esikolweni.
Ngisekusha.
Amatakane kaloku bones amanye awabina mama okanye mhlawumbe
Umama uya-
izele yafa ndithi yasoleka kanye izele yafa so funeka incanciswe kwezinye okanye usenge kwezinye.
So they
uncanciswe
become
kwezinye.
orphans. Poor them.
Oh please. Bekumele uqale ilafu yami edolophini because izakuphinda.
Oh wow. No, because namandiyazi.
Yes.
For as long, I mean, we've known each other for a long time,
I'm
but
willing ke ukufundisa.
I didn't. No, I know these things. Nah. Very well diverse in that field.
Yeah.
Okay, cool, man. And then high school wangenela phi ke ngoku?
Efalo pha elalini yami.
Okay.
That's when ke ngoku ndiye ndacinga ngento ze careers uba ndifuna uba yintoni. Simple because bendiqala ukuva high school nge-accounting or commercial subjects. Kwakukho iwesiba iseyitopic esandovuselelwa le social media about amagana. Kuthiwa nge-80s kwakukho amagana ngexesha i-South Africa.
No, it's
was
true.
going yes.
It's true. I actually witnessed that esikolweni
Yeah.
sasifuna namagana when I was doing grade 1.
So ufika kwami high school ndafika kukho utitshala zamagana.
So you see, when I was in high school, mnanse primary.
You see? Ibiphi kaloku apho kanye ezilalini?
Ezilalini.
All right.
Yeah.
And so amagana ndibene nawo high school.
Yeah.
And I teacher commercial subjects. And because ke ngoku ebesikade siyathi maths and physics zange sive nge-accounting nge-primary. Then xa sifika pha kwi-accounting and kugcwele kwiclass ye-physics ne-maths lesiyaziyo ne-biology. Kwabe kukho ispace kwicala le-accounting ne-economics, business economics. So ndaya pha. That's when ke ngoku ndaqonda ubana ana-choice ke but ndibe-accountant. So amaphupha am ayekubana ndifuna uba yi-accountant kuba
Simply
ndifunda
because
i-accounting.
uyive accounting apha.
Ndangena pha.
Oh, okay, makes sense.
Kugcwele nangaphaya so ndafunda pha.
Oh, so that's
Otherwise azange ndikhule ndisithi ndiyazi uba yintoni accountant ndifuna uba accounting
how you got into accounting
e-high school.
in high school. Was there a certain teacher that inspired it?
No, as I said ubana kwakugcwele kule ndifuna uba kuyo. So kukho nee-classes ezithile kaziwa u-8 ndaba standard 8 maybe high school ngoku.
Yeah.
So kuthiwa 8 AB whatever zee-subjects enye nenye nezee-subjects xa ufika kulena kugcwele so ndangena ke kule accounting. So akho mntu oyin-inspiration ndangena because
So
of
wafuna
physics.
ukwenza ipona?
I-physics ne-maths into esasiyazi from primary.
Or from primary?
Yes.
Were you good at them?
I don't even remember yazi. I don't remember my childhood yazi. I mean from primary as like my early.
Really?
I don't. And is Kumbuli 5-year-old.
Really?
I'm telling you.
We need to go back. There's a Mad Dog wants to say something?
Hayi, bengicela ukubuza. AmaGhana, abantu baseGhana okanye
Abantu baseGhana, it's Ghanaians.
Yes,
Oh.
Ghana was a Ghana.
Oh, hayi ngicela ukuthi maybe abantu abathile abalayikapa aba-South Africa babizwa ngendlela ethile.
No, it's Ghanaians.
Okay, hayi ke ndisorted.
It's
Well,
Kuthiwa they were ngokuya bekukhona the struggle with apartheid and all that kungekho zitishala. So bekukho ibesuka ngapha itishala zizoncedisa
yes.
eSouth Africa.
I stand to be corrected, but I think they're one of the first Africans to come this side back in. I stand to be corrected in those days. Or well, I was the first Africans that I was introduced to, besides South Africans, was the Ghanaians.
Mawuhlala eJozi uyazi ukuthi iMozambicans kudala zipha.
Oh yes,
But
yes.
Eastern Cape and also eMthatha kukhona nje ibesaziwa amaGhana and sikhulela kubo.
Yeah, well, no. So now tell me, so now you can't do maths now and physics, obviously, and you don't. And we need to talk about this thing, remembering your childhood. Yes, we need to.
yeah,
we need to do something about that. But anyway, so now you are doing
Accounting,
economics. Are you doing well in those subjects?
Yes, I was doing well, yes.
Ne?
Yeah.
Were you an A student?
No, average.
Ne? So you're getting over 50, 60.
Dan pasa. One thing about me is under fail.
But you pass.
Dan pass.
So you're 50%.
Phakathi nendawo.
Take out for a busy percentage.
But dan pass. Okusalayo
Why
dan
are you
pass.
doing higher grade or standard grade? You can't remember.
I can't remember.
Yeah, my thought. No, man.
I need to go back.
No,
yes.
we need to go back. How we need to.
I-memory yam is poor and I know.
Or in general.
Nje.
Oh, okay.
Nje. Yeah.
In general. Really? Imani xa ndikhumbuzana esanza kudala bazikhumbula nje ngathi selectively phona
Mna ndikhumbula sometimes ezinye izinto ndizikhumbula xa sigunye as a family or sister bami bezibalisa.
Okay.
Then I'm like,
okay.
oh.
Oh, so if nanifunda nawe ndithi no man remember sasifunda
Yeah.
ngoMsibani that we were doing higher grade.
Okanye if ndibona umuntu endandifunda naye then kungona ndizawukhumbula uba okanene we used to do this and ndibe sendilibele tu. And ikhona nenye into endenza i-memory yami ibe poor, but we'll get to that. No, let's talk.
Yeah, we're talking look.
No.
Is it further down your life?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
But andozilibala.
Yeah.
Even if asifika ngilo nanzobuza uba yintoni ezimora kubi.
Yes.
Okay, so now you're doing accounting and you are passing, you're average, you're an average student. What are you doing at school? Tell me, are you one of Fabanan Papaya? Are you playing sports? Are you in the RCL? Are you joining the leadership? When's anone esikolweni?
Ekhaya ndingumntwana nice, esikolweni ndingumntwana ongamameliyo.
Describe ngamameli. What does that mean? What do you mean?
Ndandingxola. Ndandinqandwa qho. Intsini ndisahleka nangoku and ndangxoliselwa intsini omise bam ndandibacaphukisa manyani. So apho uzanibona khona uzanibona ndingxola.
Ne? So wherever you are when akhwengxola.
Ndiyangxola.
You are one of those. But were you involved in any leadership things?
No. Yes.
Ne? Ongohoyanga nix.
Tu.
Did you have lots of friends?
Okakhulu. Umama mwethe athi ingathi ndingumkhwetha like ebugqirheni ke not umkhwetha wasebudodeni.
Okay.
Umkhwetha ebugqirheni unamahlakani apparently.
Yeah.
So esithi ndinamahlakani ingathi ndingumkhwetha.
So you had a following?
Oh yes, crowd.
Ne?
Nje.
Ne?
Ndandiyibhoza.
Ne? Awusena for a crowd.
Oh yeah, bengisanda ukutsho ndisithi as you grow older, i-circle yakho iya incipha okanye eyam, let me talk about myself. Eyam iya incipha andisenguye lamntu. Mna ekhaya azandibethelwa amakhwenkwe. Ndandibethelwa iitshomi. Ndandidlala kube sebusuku. Ndibetha utata engazifuni itshomi.
Okay.
Thina utatam sikhula ene-tractor. So if uyadlala estratweni PPP, i-tractor yasekhaya siyayazi sound yayo. Uyamka kule ndawo budlala kuyo ibaleke because nansi i-tractor yasekhaya isiza. Awuyibona obindawo.
So nanikhule nibethwa? Your
Yes.
father used to nibetha ntoni?
Ngesabhokhwe nangemvubu.
Oh.
Ngesabhokhwe nemvubu.
Guys, do you know what a sambok is?
Yeah. Funeke ungahambi uyodlala kube late ubuye uzawuphendula.
What's intoni imvubu nge-English? What's imvubu?
I don't know.
It's a plastic shambok.
Google it.
Because it has, yeah, we'll show it here. It's oh man, that thing is painful.
Sasibethwa ngayo.
Oh, that thing is painful.
Andikayazi bangoku uba ndingabethwa nje umvumbo oyi-1, I think nje andazi uba ndingathini.
Bangophuma isinyumo.
But we survived, yes.
Through those, but do you believe that kind of punishment helped?
Oh, it helped me.
No.
Mna, I'm still who I am, and ezinye izinto andizenzi, ezinye ndiyazenza ngenxa ye-upbringing.
No. Do you know Chris The Rock?
No.
Chris Rock is a famous comedian. So Uti, the reason he doesn't smoke till this day in one of his skits, Uti, because and that's Uti, he did smoke and then Tata go, but my daddy slapped me so hard that so every time I think of smoking, I'm thinking of that slap, and I'm like, no, and those are chai. So no, I think I bring that up simply because we're living in a time where Indoyo Beatwa, you know, I'm a parent as well, so Indoyo Beatwa has become a taboo, you know, is becoming into a wrong, and I don't necessarily feel if I agree with that. I'm not saying abuse people, but I'm saying I think in the way better does play a role. I remember I went to my kids' parent meeting. They still, both of my daughters at the time were still in crash. And then, so kuyabuzwa phana, how do you discipline your kids? You know, and I arrived late, so andibafanga abanye. So kubuzwa mna, so this is what we are discussing. How do you discipline kids at home? Do you do naughty corner? No! Don't do naughty
Naughty corner for who?
Smack them. So it's a multiracial crash, né? So there's white, colored, Indian, whatever parents. Hey, the way they laugh, you know, when someone laughs like, yeah, that's what I wanted to say, but I couldn't say it because of
politically correct.
You know. So I said no. There's no time for naughty corner there in my house. You know, I said that jokingly, obviously. So yeah, man. I don't believe in hitting kids like but I do believe, you know. It does make a difference. Matt Dog, do you wanna come in? Looks like you wanna say something.
Yeah, what I'm saying is that into your bed and yona. The problem is that a person, yes, maybe they would not drink alcohol, but down the line, because we need to think of tomorrow. Today was on better but that means down the line. Angiyenzanga lento because I respect you, but it's because I fear you. So it's out of fear. So I think maybe that's a problem ngokubetha abantwana ngayo. For instance, esikolweni sikhule sibethu. Ngoku unokubona workshop, uhleli ku-workshop njengoba umdala kangaka. Bese lo muntu ofacilitayo ahambe emva kwakhe ubone ukuthi uyoyika ngathi uza kubetha because of what violence does. You understand? You're probably ngiyekile at that time, but what are effects enginazo ekukhuleni kwami if ngabe yabona, for instance, utatam njobusho bakubetha nange-fan belt ile moto. You understand? Yabona, and ekubetheni awubethwa qha kunento ezithethwayo ezimbi. You understand? So what does that do emntwaneni growing up? Yabona? Why today we have abafana ababetha amantombazane or amantombazane acceptayo ukubethwa. You understand? Ukuthi ukuze ndibe right kulo myeni wami mela ndibethe, or ukuze unkosikazi wami abe right mela ndimbethe. Uyabona, because that's how we fix or we correct izinto. That's the issue that I have about
I
ukubetha.
think from now, context is everything.
Yeah.
In that context, besingena language ya violence, besingena language ya abuse.
Yeah.
Besi, it was from
Discipline.
You know, it discipline.
Yeah, just discipline.
So when we interpret then and now, we must be mindful of ixesha besiphila
Yeah.
kulo, because at some point I felt like utata akandithandi. And ngoku ndimdala ndiyabona ba ithini
Because-
iBhayibhile futhi
yeah.
ithi uThixo abathandayo uyabadiscipline.
Yeah.
And now I know ngondimdala ba idiscipline ayondimandi.
Yeah.
And he was preparing me for obo bomi endibuphilayo ngoku. Yonke into uba ngaba siyenza outside imiqathango ethile, then it's bad. Because ke iyazi abuse mna ikwafuneka ndiligooglishile igama le-abuse, because there was no language for that. There are so many things as a Western, ezingena language kwi-African
Yeah, context. Yeah.
So we didn't know that was called abuse. We didn't know that was violence. We didn't know that was.
But was it abuse though? It was not abuse.
It wasn't.
No, it was not
It
abuse.
wasn't. And I think we need to be mindful of the context. So here, utata wasibetha nyani, and now I know bangaba wayisithanda, and I am so grateful for ukuba ngunolali, though ndilapha ngondisedolophini, and siya evolve ke, and ufuneka sibalance, and amaxesha awafani.
But I think I like it when you say context, because I think at the same time when we take away certain things, because remember tarako zengakubetheli out of umsindo. You know, so I remember umzekelo, it's other one of my friends in Balsel, but they so your parents would leave you, ne? Ungena endlini uthini, but later on, so akanamsindo. So I also think it depends on how it was done and the way it was done. And yes, some things do bring it trauma, but I think also even putting a child on a naughty corner is also traumatizing. Because
The intention is the key. Ungenza into noba uyenza njani,
Njani,
uyenza
yes,
but
exactly.
The intention. What is the intention
behind le nto
behind
uyenzayo.
that?
Yes.
So it doesn't matter uba ngaba i-interpretation yam ithini, but my intention. I might say something kuwe ezakho kophula umphefumlo, but that was not my intention.
Yeah.
At the same time, xa usitsho ubana ndihethisha feelings zakho, then I must acknowledge that, because it was not my intention. As long as intention ikukubana ufuna umntana wakho akhule right, ufuna umntana wakho amazi right no wrong, ufuna umntana wakho abe kwindawo ethile. And ke ngoku we really need to ubana as parents sijonge i-situation, your home, singakhulisi abantwana based on the standard of this world, or based on ithini ngoku urhulumente uthini, because as parents we are responsible and we are stewards.
Yes.
That urhulumente will not be there when umntana wakho esenza 1 2 3.
Yeah.
So I'm now a single mom, and when our unyanami besemncinci besithi xa ifika kum efuna iteki ethile because omnye nayo ndimhlalise phansi ndithi mamela apha kulapha ndim nawe apha.
Yeah.
Yabona laa mntana unateki uyifunayo ukhuliswa ngumama notata abathile, so asiyazi ndiyapha. Izinto ezibalulekileyo kum for wena ku-1 2 3 4, and I want you to have those things until sifikelele up. As a result, wakhula wamdala azange anxibe into ayithandayo, ebenxibe into endiyiafodayo.
Yeah.
And I'll facilitate workshops. Ndifumanisa abazali bayakhala, even apha kuyasa abazali bakhale, umntana wam this, umntana wam this. When I follow up indlela umntana ndiyakumention kuyasa, when I mention indaba yoba umntana
No, it's good you mention. We're shooting from Ekweyasa. It's an organization in a place called Kayamandi outside of Stellamash or in Stellamash.
So when I follow up kumzali okhaliswa ngumntana, ndifumanisa uba ngaba umzali umntana umspoilile afforda ngoku akasa afford, and umntana ka understand. Uyenze ngokwakho. As abanye abazali ukwi-loans akonqeni yoboleka imali ebhankini for umntana. So mna i-background, i-upbringing yam, when I was raising my son on my own, utatam usezilaleni lapha eKapa, bendimkhulisa ngalaa ndlela ndikhule ngayo. So sithenga into esiyi-affordayo apha endlini, esingayi-affodiyo asiyithengi. Into ebalulekile uba mawufumane imatric yakho, ufumane i-driver's license yakho, uzayifeyila noba kangaphi, but ekupheleni kosuku funeka ube ne-license yakho. As a result, ngoku uphume high school ene-license yakhe and all those things. And I will take him ndimse kwaSpar ayophangela ngee-holidays zesikolo. Ndithi kwibosi imali yakhe ke umvuzo wakho uzawuza kum. Uze kwakho umvuzo wakum ndibuza uba ufuna ntoni, ufuna izinto zakhe zothambisa, ufuna ntoni, sihamba siyashophisha. That's the household. That's how you manage your household. Wena from your household.
That was abuse. No.
It's your household.
No.
Bones.
When that young man gets married, oh, nigga, no.
From your household,
No,
Bones.
no,
You do things your way.
No. Kaloku.
When you are not there, I will not be asking good Bones, but Bones mntanami ngokwenza ntoni ndithini. That's why we get it wrong.
No. Anyway, let's go to England.
Parenting.
Anyway, yeah, you know.
Yes.
So we're parenting workshop.
So we are parents, okay.
Jonga Bones, maybe I was thinking ukuthi maybe next time if Genzega, one of the topics will be the difference between punishment and discipline.
Yes. That's interesting. My dog here, guys, is very Western, you know.
Yeah, and I'm very African.
So we're gonna have a debate. I mix both, because I believe there's good things. Kobo African
from
made
both?
too. Yeah, from both. So you take the goodness out of both.
But you dominator, because there must be. Which one is that?
Obuzam.
Ewe.
Hey man, I'm not asking questions here.
Wow! Ndikuyekile, okay. Ndithule.
And ask me questions in my own space.
On. So yes, that's my upbringing.
No, so okay, so now you guys, now I lost my train of thought. No mad dog. Now you finish high school. What happens?
Ooh, finish high school. In fact,
Do you go study?
ndiyamitha kwi-high school, grade 12.
Actually, I wanted to ask you before that. Exactly, I wanted to ask you. Amakwengwe, you said, I remember you said
All right,
you didn't get much beating for boys, got much beating for playing. So you had no boys in your life.
Yes. And even ukumitha kwam ndandisothuka uba ndimithile. Ndinenkwenkwe nakuqala.
Are you Maria?
Akho mntu akhange kwamna ndandothukile uba. True story.
Yeah, ndiyafuna usive and then?
Kwamna ndothukile uba ndinawo na inkwenkwe. Ndimitha njani? Because andazi believer ndade ndawobeleka.
And your son is so respectful, yes? Oh, is he still that respectful last time I saw?
He is.
Ah,
That's what I'm told.
No one was very respectful young man.
Abantu
man.
bandixelela loo.
No, he is, Shem. He is.
Ndiyambongela.
But anyway, yeah, so...
So that's le discipline ungayifuni, but it's fine. Simkile up. I raised him that way.
No, not to the maliaki. Don't take the young man's money.
I raised him that way, but
you know
it's
my
fine.
Father, you know my father, eh? When he started working, go get chat like while he was married, he sent imaliaki apparently they qala ithumele ezilalini. Kokutataki, and then they come to mele yena back. Abayisebenze njani?
Context, ixesha bones, ixesha.
But yeah, we'll get to that some
Yeah,
other day.
so ndenza imatric.
But before you get to the pregnancy, I want to ask, so what was your relationship with boys?
Yayingekho.
Oh, okay.
Yayingekho because okokuqala iphupha lami yakubana upasa kwam ndizigcinele into yoba upasa kwam imatric. Yho, andizujola bones.
Why? Because you felt
Because
caged in.
okokoko ndilapha.
So you felt
Because
caged in.
utata uza kubetha awuzokwazi emakhwenkweni ulapha. Because osisi baba
Tell
phambi
me,
kwam bebethwa.
and your brothers, were they protective?
Obrother bam bancinci kaloku.
I know, but still, were they protective over you?
Not really.
Because they were younger?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But sasinayo ubhuti omdala. As I said, ubana ifamily kuthi was not only
Yes, yes.
abantwana. So bekhona ubhuti protective.
Was he protective?
Oh kakhulu. Ebengafuni kwa ichomi zakhe zihlale endaweni nathi.
Oh, wow, man, that's great.
I miss him so much. May his soul rest in peace.
Oh, he passed away.
2021.
COVID.
Yes.
Was it COVID related?
Yes.
So man, come on, Brian.
I got digga. So that was the guy overprotective. Engafuni nje ichomi zakhe xa ibone ngathi amehlo abapha endlini bayaphuma funeke bahambe bangahlala
How older was he?
Oh, he was way too old. Early 70s.
Oh, okay, and you were born in the 90s, so okay.
80s. So yes, that was the brother, big brother.
Okay.
Besinaye. So he was protective. So yeah, so amakhwenkwe, it was a no
Was
no
a
for me.
no-go zone, no-go area. So now tell me.
And now,
Yeah? Now you had matric.
now ndikwi-matric. So kukhona this guy yaselalini. Ufunda apha eCape Town. Ndenza imatric yena ingathi wayesenza first year or second year but sevarsity yena. So ngaba babhuti bahamba babuye ngeholiday.
Okay, yeah.
So ufikile ke ngeholiday. So
And you're doing matric?
Yes.
Okay.
So he is 2 years older than na.
Okay.
And so this one time ke uyafika ndimbonanga ufikile and then he's like ndingaba abantu ke babemithe kusithiwa ndikhaphe into ethatha ijezi.
Guys, that was a trick that was used back in the days, you know, when you pick up a girl, be like, can come, man, it's cold, let's go get my jersey. Yeah.
Ndathatha ijezi ndibuye. Andifuni. Yajijiza. And then I was like, okay, so thatha ijezi ke siyahamba xa sifika endlini kowabo. And that was it. Asiphumi. And we did the things. But I'm not going to lie. If I knew, can't sense the context esitha ngayo, ubana, then if bendiyazi into endiyaziyo ngoku, bendinothi ndareyitshwa. But because we did not have a language, and if umntu ukhwele ezilalini, uyayazi uba oobhuti basezilalini bebenyanzelisa ukulala nentombazana. One. Secondly, there were cultural practices that I believe into yokunyanzelisa ulala nentombazana ibisuka pha into okufana nento okuthiwa zintonjane. Abantu basedolophini abazi zazo zinto.
Why are you so discriminative against one of the two?
No, but abazuzazi because
Abazazi.
ayenziwa. It was ibingenziwa ngelo hlobo. If you can
Okay.
Google that or ask abantu bakhule ezilalini.
eGauteng besithi Jack Roller.
So whether uyavuma okanye awuvumi, so it was like, okay, sithatha ijezi sahamba, and then the next thing enye leader to enye, and then that was it. And now
Can I pry? In this, but
Yes.
if you're not comfortable, just say
no
it.
no 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 I with this one I'm cool.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
so over it
wh-
now.
why would you call it? If you say what you know now, you'd call it rape. What would classify it
Because
as rape?
I was not willing. Like ndandingafuni. I was like ndifuna ugoduka.
And then what did you say?
And then uyanyanzelisa uba sizawuhamba. I'm like andifuni. And that was my first time ndilala
But tell me how.
nomntu. I don't know ke bangabe ukulala ndizawuthi ukulala okanye ndokubiza, but abantu I think they know.
Yeah, no, they
because
know. Yeah, sleeping with someone. But tell me, how did it get to the taking off the clothes and all that stuff?
zandizikhulule bones. Mna ndamitha ndinxibe iskirt sam, ska wrap around.
Okay, wrap around. I have no idea.
Skirt.
Okay, it's a skirt.
Skirt that you wrap around. So
We need to put 18 here on this
uyakwazi
episode.
ke ukuba wenze umntana ungakhange uzikhulule impahla zakho, if you didn't know.
Yeah, no, I know of it because just lift the skirt up. So I'm just thinking, ke ngoku ukuthi- and that was it.
And that was it. And after that, I was like, no, this thing is painful actually. I want to go home. And in the arm. And if I want to vulele up and zawukhala, abantu
Oh,
bakubona bazovuka
that
apha.
was my next question. So
Yes.
zangu khale during the thing.
No. Because I didn't know, yazi Bonzi, like, you know, xa uqonda ubana woyisakele, and now uyayenza, and then uyafumanisa uba ngaba no le nto ibuhlungu.
Ufuna gqibe xa-
Ndifuna ukuhamba.
Okay. Just
Like uyabona emva koba ndivele ni-pain.
Yeah.
I don't care uba ngaba kuzawuthini ndizawukhala apha. I don't know because bekukhona i-friends zami ebesezijola ngaphambili and bebeyenza le nto isawuni ngathi into emandi. So now ndiye ndala ekuseni ndicinga uba kuzoba mandi. But I don't want to lie, Shem. First day, I don't know if is there any woman payana is out first day umnandi. But as for me, it wasn't. And I said that day, this is the last time. I will never ever do this thing again. Ndiyahamba. And I never did it with him.
Oh, I was about to ask because that.
I know with him.
Because I have proof.
So I left ngala mini ndathi ndiyahamba.
Wow,
Andizukwazi. And I didn't know ba kukhona umntwana ke ngoku.
But tell me, how was the relationship between you and him then, ke ngoku, after the whole
There
deal?
wasn't. And ndandim-avoida ndingafuni umbona apha
Did
anyathele
you
khona.
tell anyone?
Never. So ndafika ekhaya kho kude kumuntu waselalini.
Yeah.
So ekhaya ndafika ekuseni yaba ngathi khandiye ndawo. But ke ukumva ndedwa like lapha kumba hey phezulu bekwenzekile into but kusendi lapha ekhaya. So akukho umuntu ndimndodo yazi ba bekwenzeke intoni.
Yeah.
And mna ke because again abantu ke bebefunda biology they knew into bana ayithathi izinyanga okanye amatyela abangaphi. Mna mntu besenza
Accounting, yeah.
Ndandicinga uba kaloku because I knew friends zami ezaziyenza lento kudala. So andiqonda uba I can't kaloku nasana ngoqala
Ayi-one,
nje.
yeah.
Just once kukho abantu ekudala beyenza.
Yeah.
It can't be. Kanti no, it takes few seconds.
And how did your father? It takes 3 seconds.
few seconds? Honestly, I don't think it was 3 minutes that. And then kwakho umntwana.
Please, producer, put over 18.
I
there.
asked you how honest.
No, that's good. I'm
Can
just
I
saying this episode
transparent?
has to have an over 18 sign so that, singabanjwa.
But I think abantwana they need to know because ngoku abantwana bana 10 bayamit.
Yeah, I know that. But tell me, how did your father take it?
Oh, Bones. I wanted to die mna kuqala because okokuqala ndayifihla. I didn't know about meet immediately, right? KungoJune. And because azange ndaba kwi-contracept, zange ndacwangcisa ubomi bam bonke.
Yeah.
Dibana la mfana, I was clean. And xa ungazange wacwangcisa ii-periods zakho zi-accurate. Xesha eli-1 inyanga eyi-1 akho nto itheni. But kwakunguJune ngwana lena laa bhoti. Then July.
Yo, so you come
Yes, I still remember. How can I forget that one? Then ngoJuly andiyi kwi-periods but still andothukanga nto ndiqonda uba wethu noba nje. August, hey, hayibo andiyi kwi-periods. And I knew ubana xa umithe awuye kwi-periods. I don't know ubana ndiva phi. Then September, I'm like, okay. October, ndenza i-matric. I can feel now ubana. But still ndise in denial uba it can't be kaloku sana imini eyi-1. And ayibobusuku bonke obuyana like it's just few seconds.
Yeah.
Ndimitha njani?
Seconds.
It's few seconds.
Yeah.
I don't ever want kids to forget into bana. It takes few seconds.
Yeah. Kids, few seconds.
Few seconds. Babantu bathi akhonto ngeminenye. Udaqala siyizonda ngoko lonto
Never, that's
because
it.
oyami impilo yatshintsha
Give me a one.
ke seconds.
Now tell me, now you find out you're pregnant.
Then I-
Awukaxeleli bazali.
Azange baxelele until very late.
What's very late? Like siyabonakala isisu?
Ndenza imatric, I think ngo-October saba ne-matric ball. So it's July, August, September, October, November, 5 months. And another reason why ndandingabaxela abazali is because that time esikolweni kwakungafunwa umntana umithiyo.
Because
Uzawukhutshwa esikolweni. So ndandingaziboni ndisiba nomntana ndiphinde ndiye esikolweni ndincancise ndiphinde ndihambe esikolweni. I wanted to finish matric and I had that hope yobana ndizayipasa imatric so ndingaphinde ndibuyele esikolweni. Andifuni uphinde ndibuyele eyuniformini.
Oh, okay.
Ndinosana,
Sana,
ndingumhlezane and usister wenze emva kwakhe who is 2 years older than mna wayengenamntana. So that's another reason why ke ndandiqonda uba hayi yabona ndingumone omkhulu. So yeah, at the end of the time abayiva until ndagqiba ubhala i-exams ka-matric and I don't know uba ngubani wabaxelela but umama wam ekuseni wandivukela ngentseni bethe qini
Athi ntombazana.
vuka sithethe ndiqonda hayi bo kwenzeke ntoni athi umithi yho yangase ndife angase ndife into ayifunayo uba umithiswe ngubani ke thina ke xa umithi ke ubusisiwa kulo mzi umithiswe kuwo.
Senziwa nangoku.
And now I'm like, yo, if ndiyalibiza igama lo muntu uzakwaziwa ngumuntu walapha elaleni. Abazali bethu bayaziwa, bayazana. Ndiyoyika ke ngoku. I think ndathatha into phaa kwe-hour ndingalibiza igama lo muntu. Eventually ndamxelela and he was like, utatakho ke undithumile, uba ndizokubuza uba umithiswe ngubani, umithiswe phi. Abazali ke kuthi utata ebethumela, bebethetha bobabini phaa,
and then,
umama
the mother,
abuya sohlulisa messenger. So funeka abuya sephayana ke i-feedback. Then utata funeka organize abantu abazothatha le ntombi imithiyo bayise kulaa mzi imithiswe kuyo.
Tell me, so during this time, before your parents found out, was abortion something of an option at that time?
Oh yes, even ukuthatha ubomi obo bam.
Really?
Oh yes, I wanted to die. Because utata ngumntu oxatyisiweyo ne?
Elalini.
Yes.
Yeah.
And now I'm thinking, okwesibini andaziwa ngamakhwenkwe. That was even before ndisiwe phayana nje isiqu sam. Okwesithathu, I don't see myself ndikhulisa umntwana ndingumhlezane.
So why?
So izinto eziyi-2 kwakufuneka zenzekile according to umna. Uba akufi lo muntu lapha phakathi makufe mna.
What made you not carry on with the abortion?
I didn't know better. I tried ukutya ipilisi but zase zandihambisisa.
Really? But was that for you or for the child? Ipilis?
For abortion.
Or it was for, but what, did you just take random pills?
Ndaya etown Bones. Ndajonga ipilisi phana qoma ndifuna ezi zithi do not use during pregnancy. Ndathi ndifuna zona kanye ezi. Hoping that izokhupha yonke le.
Ke le nto lapha ngaphakathi.
Ndazitya zoyi-12.
Actually one. And nothing happened to you?
Ndaske ndahambisa qha. And kwa ndiyazi bisisi siphuma njani ndicinga uba xa ndihambisa kuphuma isisi.
Kanti
Kanti sekhona so ndinela themba loba hayi wethu andimithanga because andisazi bisisi siphuma njani. Ndicinga uba ukuhambisa kuphuma sona.
ignorance iyanceda sometimes, yebo?
So andiyazi uba siphuma njani isisi. So yeah, and that was it. Ezahamba inyanga, it turned out mntana ukhona nam ndikhona and I wanted to die but I didn't know how. Guess what? When I came to Cape Town, qala kwam ubona train station ne-train. I will never forget that picture at the Detroit station. Ndibona i-train I was like immediately kwakho into ethi yho uba ngokuya ndandimithi ndandilapha eKapa I think endandilele apha etreyinini.
Sure.
It was just perfect for laa meko. It just nje engqondweni yam yafika yathi yho itrain ndandiqala uyibona. I was like this thing is perfect. Le nto ibizawundiguba ndife
Ube right.
nje.
Wow. Thixo anceda agcine. I don't know how many minutes we have. Okay. I think you'll need to come again.
Yeah.
Because now I'm thinking I haven't gotten to the other half of your life and the amazing things you have done.
Yeah. So that's me.
So
Next year we pursue that journey.
Ne?
We pursue that journey.
So you're
next
gonna
year.
be calling
Not
me doctor
yet.
next year.
I'm still thinking. Ish.
When-
Masters is yeah, and the via, bra. I don't know.
Are you doing masters now currently?
Final year?
So quickly, man. So you come to Cape Town. What's happening? Okay, so now Wamita, your Siwapana,
There's
blah
a
blah blah.
gap. The reason why ndandize apha, in fact, ndandize kwi-hiding place. So
Ufihlwa
I gave
yifemeli.
birth here.
Uzofihlwa yifemeli.
Nam ndifuna ukumka nje.
Oh,
Because
ezilalini.
kaloku ndiye ndakhanyelwa nokhanyelo uba ngaba lo bhuti undimithizile.
He said he didn't. Okay, but I understand because now you're saying it was a 2-second thing. So nakuye mhlawumbi.
Mhlawumbi.
Was that the case?
I don't know.
Xa usicingela?
I don't know.
Another person, you don't have to answer it, but another person. Does he have a relationship now?
No.
So till this day.
Yep. It's a long story.
Wow. Before we end, I remember I said, so tell me what made your memory.
It's that after I fell pregnant, I forgot everything and the person I was before.
Oh.
I remember sister wami ebalisa uba ndikhule ndithanda abantwana ndabe mna ndine-narrative ethi abantwana ndibathandi.
Because of.
And I remembered, but okay, it's because of this. Because when she said that in passing, I was like, ndiyakhumbula nyhani ndibeleka abantwana basekhaya. But i-memory, i-pain bones, into yokwenza ibe i-memory.
Yeah?
I-pain iyayiba i-memory. You forget the person owawunguye when you go through a major change ebomini bakho sometimes. Pain can change you, good or bad. Eyami yandichange both, bad eqaleni, but now it's for all good.
Wow. Okay, it's interesting that, I mean, until today, 20 years later, something like that. Okay, so then your parents back Balegisa, so you're getting.
Yeah, and
Uzoba
then
refugee
got
apha.
December, and then I gave birth in March, and that was it.
So if you didn't fall pregnant, no ungazuze kapha.
I never liked this place, to be honest. Amaphupha amneko kusuka ekhaya ndePretoria. IKapa, it wasn't.
Part of
Ndahlala
the.
eKapa every year and masithi ndiyemka until
Awuthi
2 decades later I'm still here.
Awukahambi nangoku futhi.
Yeah.
Unengathi awuzohamba.
I don't know.
Uzohamba?
I don't know.
Awuzohamba.
I don't know.
Uzulile ilizwe lonke but uphinde ubuye uzapha.
Maybe.
That's what Cape Town do to people.
Yo, Mad Dog, the same thing, and then osuke ethembisa what uyagoduka.
Every year.
30 years later, Mad Dog, you're still here.
Ngiyahappy kule ndawo eflat madodakazi. Yazi usethembisa ubona iJohannesburg usethembisa.
Yeah.
Usibetha abantu bazethembisa, Mad Dog. Don't say that. So, wow, man. I'm thinking of time and I'm thinking of the things that I still want to ask and the conversation. I'm thinking it's going to be limited. But let's quickly just fast forward, man, just for our viewers quickly. So now you arrive at Kapa. What happens? You go to school?
Ndiyancancisa kaloku ndiumdlezane. Iyanjani umdlezane?
So that
esikolweni?
year, wahlala endlini.
Ndahlala endlini.
After that?
Oh, and I thought it was going to be just that year. And years later, ndahlala.
Kalo, but what made you stay?
Ndiyancancisa first year, ndiyancancisa second year, then ndigoduke ndashiya umntana ekhaya ndabuya funeka ndisebenze because ndandinalaa nto yobana.
Where did you work?
Restaurant,
As a.
cleaner.
Wow, not even a waiter?
No.
So you started from the bottom, literally.
Ndicleaner.
Yala ngom started from the bottom, now we hit.
Ndihlamba izitya.
Yala ngom. Wow.
Ndihlamba izitya ndaphuma phaa ndayosebenza evenkileni.
Wow.
Ebutchery. So, yeah.
And then what's why ndone esikolweni?
Esikolweni because iphupha lakade likhona. But abantu as long as iphupha lisekhona
How many minutes?
kafi pelile.
Okay. Just
As
yeah.
long as iphupha umuntu esaphila iphupha lakhe alifi. So I guess amaphupha wethu awafi. And then I worked again ndade ndafumana umsebenzi oright ke kwa-agriculture ndasebenza right but still laa nto yobana isikolo andisigqibanga ndisafuna ubuyela esikolweni ndose ndijikelezisa isitulo eofisini but still laa nto uba ndandifuna esikolweni man and laa nto isekhona and then I left everything
Why esikolweni?
ndaya esikolweni
Wow.
ndafunda and I thought hayi wethu ndizawuthi nje i-degree beyi-1 then okoba
Then you fell in love with education.
oh my goodness. You know, imeko honestly zingakwenza ube sesinye isidalwa esitsha esingenguye laa mntu. That is why when I came across Psalm 139 ethi, before you were born in your mother's womb, I knew you. I formed you.
Yeah.
So when I came across that psalm, I told myself, that was my prayer. Lord, I wanted that person before teenage pregnancy. I want that. That was my prayer. I said, before my mom and Belege All Saints Hospital, you knew me. before ndizalwe aziswe ndiziswe kuye kuthiwe nangomntana wakho, I had a relationship with you. You knitted me together in her womb. I want that person that you had a fellowship with. That's why Psalm 139 for me is very personal. So I had to go back. Into yobana I was not created for this whole thing. A whole decade of bitterness and anger, of single parenting, low self-esteem, doubts, and all of those things, hating men because of one man, and all of that. I said, I want to go back. I want to go back to that person. Laa mntana wayefuna ufunda, agraduate, ndizixeleba ekhaya, ndizobe egraduate.
So you only went to school after 10 years?
Yes.
Really? Wow. I didn't know that.
Yes.
Wow. Listen, man, thank you so much. But I'm definitely calling you again for round 2 because...
For my work and all.
yeah, because I think you've done so much, you know, from that person at that 10 years till now. So much work has... I mean, in Nintendo Zenzleyo. And we've worked on some things together,
Yep.
you know, and all of that. And I know you continue to work and you continue to do great things. So I really want your story to be heard in fullness so that, you know, Tobega, who is same situation maybe, ayaz balkoni temba because you went to school after 10 years and
Yep.
wagqiba, and look now you're thinking of doing a master's akho and we are still young.
Ndigqiba i-masters.
Yo man, sorry, you're thinking of doing a PhD. You are
Why
finishing.
ungibuyisela umva?
Sorry, and you are doing a master's, you know, and that's great. And also the sacrifices that we have done. I also want to tap into that because abantu
Yeah.
abaninzi don't know that, and you know, I was.
Oh, I gave up a lot.
I know. I think I was there. I was there when we were giving up those things. And even now, I was like, ah, man, are you okay?
Yeah.
You know, and when you've done all those things. So thank you so much, man, for honoring the invite. Really appreciate you, but definitely would like to really continue the story and just
To
finish
be
it. man.
continued.
Yes, to be continued. But thank you so much, man. You're a lovely guest.
You're welcome.
Guys, thank you so much for tuning in. She's definitely coming back because I know would like to hear
I
more.
think Sabano part 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, maybe just 2. You know, don't please just 2. But it was so great. I hope you guys could learn something from Usis Nogu. So please, guys, like, subscribe, comment, and click
And
on
share.
and share and click on the notification bell. And yeah, we'll see you again, man.